everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to the office. And today, if you, this is the Go Clean, I guess. That's what it is, or Gociean, Gociean. So it's almost clean, but it's an I instead. So it's a 50 amp power box. So this is cool. If you know me, you know I like to do RVing, and I have a Tesla. So always needing electric boxes around the house and around places. So this one here's a nice one I got here. It's an outdoor one, so this is kind of cool for that. So let's check this thing out and see how it is. It definitely has some weight to it. It's a big metal box. So let's see what this thing looks like. And then here's, I guess, going to be your instructions on how to wire it and stuff. If you don't know how to wire it, you don't wire it yourself. This is made for people who know what they're doing. So there's the wiring diagram if you do know what you're doing. And then let's see what we got here in the box. So this is the box. Okay, so it'll hang up there onto a pole or something. You got the little screw mounts there and screws there, so you can get to it, I'm sure, when you open it up. Got a little ball catch to open it up here. Very cool. Nice smooth ride on that. So you'll definitely need to take out the plug in order to screw it in, but you get the idea of the concept of it. And then, so this is what it looks like here. So there's your regular 4-prong outlet that'll plug into a car or whatever type of charger you have, and it'll connect on the box. It's pretty deep, so then you can have it plugged in. I could even have it plugged in with my surge protector and still close it up, and then the wire comes out the bottom. And it looks like it gives us, you see there's all these different plates on the sides and on the top and on the bottom too. So depending on how you're wiring it, if you're wiring it from a pole from the bottom or from the sides or from the top, it gives you 3 different plates here. So this is kind of a cool that they give you this. So you don't have to drill any holes in the box. The box is super heavy duty. You can see how thick these plates are. That's how thick the metal is on this. So you can put in, if you have a huge wire going through there, or different sizes. So you get 3 different sizes depending on the size of the wire or the pole that you have going through it. I have like the PVC pole coming through it. It'll probably be on the bottom is where I would do it. So just go from there and mount it up through that. But there you go. So you'll have the hole to do it. Comes with regular Phillips. It looks like you just need a Phillips head screwdriver to open up all that stuff. And Phillips on these as well. So all that stuff in there is all Phillips too. So you can just take them off and do it that way. I'm not going to unscrew it here for you, but you guys get the idea of how to hook one of these up. You should probably have an electrician do it versus doing it yourself, unless you know what you're doing, because you're going to need to use some heavy gauge wire. It's like, I've done it before where I've gotten the wire from the dryer wire, like the big 6-gauge stuff. So that's what it is. So very cool and nice heavy duty one. You can put it outside. This would be good for like an RV park or anything. It's that heavy duty. I can see this thing being used over and over again. The connector on it looks nice and strong and heavy plastic here. It's not something that's going to break very easy. So definitely heavy duty outdoor use plug. I'll be sticking it on the side of my house so I can charge cars and RVs and stuff from the outside. I already have a plug on the inside for the Tesla. So that's what it is. So very cool. So thumbs up from me. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel. Links in the description, and that's it. I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.